So the video that you just watched gave you the fundamentals of how to think historically when you work with artworks. And your next step is going to be to develop that understanding with the textbook. You turn to this page where they say, "What is art history?" The first thing they do is to give you 4 ways that art historians investigate art. And you can see the list of 4. If you use all of 4 of these layers of investigation, you can interpret an artwork thoroughly and powerfully. You want to think about its physical properties. Is it a bronze sculpture or is it an oil painting? Is it a textile weaving that someone would have worn, or is it a marble statue? And then they talk about visual or formal elements, which you're already working with very well from having done formal analysis. And then you go into subject matter, symbolism, and cultural context. The art of art history has to do with being able to weave all of those together. So you're going to use this reading to go over physical properties, to go over formal structure again a little bit, and to take yourself to this question of subject matter, which I raised in the video, and how that prompts the need for us to analyze iconography and iconology, which is when we integrate with cultural context. And so what they're going to do is they're going to have some artworks for you to use to apply these 4 elements. And as you do the reading, I want you to be in tune with your next assignment, which is actually all about how to work with those 4 elements in the reading. If you go to modules and we come back, your assignment here, your active reading assignment, you'll see, is all about learning to take notes on these comparisons, these different artworks that they introduce, using those 4 elements as your framework. So make sure that as you read, you're already keyed into what this assignment is asking you to do, because it is an active reading assignment in which you are getting a chance to use the reading to test your understanding of these 4 levels.